गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल. आज आपण ॲप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ डेरिव्हेटिव्ह्ज या टॉपिकमधले ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह बघणार आहोत. या टॉपिकमधले आउटलाईन्स काय आहेत ते बघूयात. ह्या टॉपिकमध्ये रिड्यूस सिलेबसमध्ये काय काय आपण बघितलं ते मी आउटलाईन जस्ट ओव्हरलुक करतोय. टॉपिक ॲप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. नाउ फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज इक्वेशन ऑफ टँजेंट. Suppose y is equal to f of x is the given curve, then we have to find equation of tangent at point x1 y1 on that curve. त्या कर्व वरती असणाऱ्या एखाद्या पॉइंटला आपल्याला टँजेंट काढायचं. इक्वेशन ऑफ टँजेंट काढायचं असेल तर x1 y1 and at the same point we have to find normal, equation of normal at x1 y1. That is formula is y minus y1 m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon m x minus x1, where m is the derivative, just derivative of the given function dy by dx at a given point x1 y1. x1 y1 लाच आपण डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढणार आणि तो m ची व्हॅल्यू आपण इथे स्लोप म्हणून यूज करणार. बाय पुटिंग x1 y1 we get equation of tangent and equation of normal. Now second is increasing function. Again y is equal to f of x is given function, no doubt. If f dash x greater than 0, then given function is increasing function. If f dash x less than 0, then it is a decreasing function. Now graph of increasing function is like this. That is, it is up move from left to right, and it is down from left to right. That is a decreasing function. These are just graphs of increasing and decreasing functions. Now in that again one more point is maximum and minimum value of the given function. That is, it is local maximum and local minimum values. For y is equal to f of x given function, we find f dash x equal to 0. F dash x equal to 0. This is the equation. This equation gives us एक्स्ट्रीम पॉइंट्स. म्हणजे f dash x equal to 0 या पॉइंटला आपल्याला मॅक्सिमम किंवा मिनिमम व्हॅल्यूज मिळणार आहे. f dash x equal to 0 gives एक्स्ट्रीम पॉइंट्स. म्हणजे एक्स्ट्रीम व्हॅल्यूज किंवा एक्स्ट्रीम पॉइंट्स आहेत. त्या एक्स्ट्रीम पॉइंट्स हे f dash x equal to 0 इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय करत असतात. म्हणजे आपल्याला असं दिलं असेल x equal to 3, x equal to 4 आर द एक्स्ट्रीम पॉइंट्स. then 3 and 4 should satisfy f dash x equal to 0. जे आपल्याला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह करायचं आहे, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इज इक्वल टू 0 घेतला तर आपल्याला ज्या एक्स्ट्रीम पॉइंट्स आहेत ते एक्स्ट्रीम पॉइंट्स हे इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय करत असतात. देन इफ f डबल डॅश x लेस दॅन 0, देन फंक्शन हॅव मॅक्सिमम व्हॅल्यू. f डबल डॅश x ग्रेटर दॅन 0, देन फंक्शन हॅव मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू. अँड इफ f डबल डॅश x इक्वल टू 0, टेस्ट फेल्स. मॅक्सिमम मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू कशी काढायची ऑलरेडी आपल्याला नोन आहे. फक्त मी शॉर्टकट मध्ये सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्ट सांगितलेलं आहे. इन्क्रीजिंग डिक्रीजिंग फंक्शन्स अँड टँजेंट नॉर्मल. This is the syllabus for reduced syllabus for 2020 and 21 for CET. Now example, let f of x equal to this, x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 18, then f of x is strictly decreasing in dash dash. Now we know that, I write first, check the solution set of inequality x minus a x minus b less than 0 with condition that a less than b. या दोघांमध्ये a आणि b, I write this in terms of brackets, linear brackets, x minus a x minus b with a less than b is solution set of this is, it is just open a to b, it is just less than 0, less than or equal to 0, then it is close brackets, it is open bracket a to b. And second is if it is greater than 0, x minus a x minus b greater than 0 with same condition with a less than b is solution set of this inequality is then minus infinity to open a union b to infinity. These are the solution sets of the inequality x minus a x minus b less than 0 with condition is what, a less than b. a आणि b मध्ये a हा लहान पाहिजे b पेक्षा. then it is a to b open interval. if it is greater than 0, minus infinity to a union b to infinity, or it is sometimes written as it is minus infinity to plus infinity, this set minus this a to b, close a to b, just by neglecting this same. Now again equation is this, f of x equal to, f of x is strictly decreasing function, it is decreasing function. Then what is this solution set? f of x, I write f dash x is equal to f dash x of this 3x square minus 12x plus 9. That is 3 out, x square minus 4x plus 3. F dash x. Now it is decreasing, therefore f dash x less than 0 implies this 3 into x square minus 4x plus 3 less than 0. That is x square minus 4x plus 3 less than 0. That is two factors of this multiplication 3 addition minus 4 x minus 3 x minus 1 x minus 1 x minus 3 less than 0. That is here the two brackets of this type with 1 less than 3 with what 1 less than 3. Then solution set is that is open interval a to b. Therefore this is a, this is b, open interval a b. Its solution set is open interval 1 to 3 1 to 3. That is a D option. That is a D option. Next example, if f of x equal to x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1 for every real x, then minimum value of f of x is function ची minimum value विचारली. Now we find extreme points f dash x equal to, I write f of x again same, just adjustment I make x square plus 1 minus 2. That is again same, maintaining x square plus 1, then separate denominators, that is 1 minus 2 by x square plus 1. Its derivative is now simple one, f dash x is equal to one derivative 0, its derivative 1 by type, 1 by its derivative minus 1, that is 2 upon x square plus 1 bracket square into extra, that is 2x. Therefore derivative is 4x upon x square plus 1 bracket square. For extreme points f dash x equal to 0, that is f dash x equal to 0 implies, that is this 0, a denominator not equal to 0, therefore only numerator 4x equal to 0 implies x equal to 0. X equal to 0 is the only extreme points. एकच एक्स्ट्रीम पॉइंट आहे. आपल्या मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू विचारली आणि मिनिमम व्हॅल्यूला आपण काय करतोय, गिवन फंक्शन मध्ये टाकतोय. वी पुट डायरेक्टली, दिस इज ओनली वन व्हॅल्यू, therefore put directly in this x equal to 0, we get minimum value f of 0 is equal to 0 minus 1 upon 0 plus 1, it is minus 1. Therefore C option, C is equal to minus 1. इकडे एक्स्ट्रीम पॉइंट्स एकच मिळाला, त्यामुळे डायरेक्ट आपण फंक्शन मध्ये व्हॅल्यू टाकतो. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, if x equal to minus 1 and x equal to 2 are the extreme points of this curve, then alpha and beta are dash dash. We know that x equal to minus 1, x equal to 2 are the extreme points. Extreme points, therefore what? It is the solutions of this equation f dash x equal to 0. Extreme points are nothing but the solutions of f dash x equal to 0. This is y function, its derivative is y dash is equal to alpha upon x plus 2 beta x plus 1, derivative of this. So this is what y dash. Y dash means again f dash x equal to 0. These are the extreme points, therefore this satisfies this equation. Put x equal to minus 1 in this. Alright, this is equal to 0. Put x equal to minus 1, we get first equation minus alpha plus x equal to minus 1 minus 2 beta plus 1 is equal to 0. First equation. Now second equation, put x equal to 2. X equal to 2, we get alpha by 2, then x equal to 2 plus 4 beta plus 1 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Now solving these two equations, we get alpha and beta. That is making common coefficients. Here multiply by 2, we get just multiplying equation 1 by 2 minus 2 alpha minus 4 beta multiplying by 2 just plus 2 is equal to 0. Equation number 3 for this, solving 2 and 3. These two cancel. This is alpha by 2 minus 2 alpha and plus 3 is equal to 0. That is alpha by 2, it is cross alpha minus 4 alpha plus 6 is equal to 0. That is minus 3 alpha plus 6 is equal to 0. That is 3 alpha is equal to 6, alpha is equal to just 2. Alpha is equal to 2. There are two options. Put alpha is equal to 2 in any equation. I put in this equation alpha is equal to 2. Minus 2 beta plus 1 is equal to 0. Minus 2 beta minus 2 plus 1, it is minus 1 is equal to 0, and then beta is equal to, just transfer 1 by minus 2. Beta is equal to minus 2 minus 1 by 2, that is C option. C option. Next example, the normal to the curve x square plus 2xy minus 3y square is equal to 0 at 1 1 dash dash. या कर्वचा नॉर्मल ॲट 1 1 परत कर्वला कुठे मीट करतोय असं विचारलं. सेकंड क्वाड्रंट मध्ये, थर्ड मध्ये, फोर्थ मध्ये किंवा डज नॉट मीट अगेन. Normal of this, that is at 1 1. We find first derivative of this. Derivative of this x square, that is derivative is 2x plus x derivative just 1, then 2y plus 2x as it is dy by dx. Dy by dx, its derivative minus 6y dy by dx is equal to 0. That is 2 common cancel. It is x plus y plus 2 cancel x minus 3y dy by dx is equal to 0. That is dy by dx is equal to, that is nothing but m. It is m is equal to, just transfer minus x plus y upon x minus 3y. X minus 3y. At 1 1, it is dy by dx at 1 1. It is 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 upon 1 minus 3. It is again minus 2. It is 1 just. M is equal to 1. Then equation of normal is y minus y1 point 1 minus 1 by m is 1 x minus x1 is again 1. Simplifying this, y minus 1 minus x plus 1, just transfer this minus 1, we get y is equal to minus x plus 2. This is equation just 1. Now this is equation of normal and this is again equation. Just solving these two equations, we get point of intersection, that is y is equal to minus x plus 2 in that equation. X square plus 2x, y means minus x plus 2, and last one minus 3 into y minus y square, this minus x plus 2 bracket square is equal to 0. Simplifying this, x square 2x inside minus 2x square plus 4x minus 3 x square minus 4x plus 4 0. That is x square minus 2x square plus 4x minus 3x square then plus 12x minus 12 0. Now simplifying this, x square minus 2x square minus 3x square minus 4x square, 4x 12x 16x minus 12 0. Minus 4 common and transfer to 0, that is minus 4x square, then minus 4 out, it is minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 4 transfer, 2 roots of this, x minus 3 and x minus 1, that is x equal to 3 and 1. When x equal to 3 in this, we get y as a minus 1, and x equal to 1 in this, we get y as a 1. Therefore point of intersections, that is 3 minus 1 and 1 1. 1 1 point is already here, 1 1 point, and second point is 3 minus 1. This point lies on fourth quadrant. 3 minus 1, that is meet the curve again in fourth quadrant. D option. Next example, the equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to 1 minus e raised to x by 2 at the point of intersection with y axis. याचा आणि y axis चा पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ज्या पॉइंटला आहे तो पॉइंट, त्या पॉइंटला इक्वेशन ऑफ टॅन्जंट काढायचं आपल्याला. With y axis means what? Y axis, its equation is x equal to 0. Therefore solving these two equations, put x equal to 0 in this, we get x equal to 0, we get y is equal to 1 minus e raised to 0. E raised to 0, that is 1. 1 minus 1 0, therefore y is equal to 0. Therefore point of intersection that is 0 0. 0 0 या पॉइंट आपल्याला टॅन्जंट काढायचा. Now its derivative is, that is dy by dx is equal to 1 0 minus 1 by 2 e raised to x by 2. This is what derivative, that is m dy by dm at 0 0, at this point 0 0, it is minus 1 by 2. Therefore equation of tangent is y minus 0 y1 m minus 1 by 2 x minus x1 as a 0 again, just 2y minus 1 into x, that is 2y is equal to minus x, transfer x plus 2y is equal to 0, x plus 2y is equal to 0, that is A option. Check A option. Next, if the tangent at 1 1 point असणार tangent for this curve y square is equal to x minus 2 minus x bracket square meets the curve again at p, then p is, म्हणजे p point हा tangent आहे, या कर्व वरचा पॉइंट आहे, त्या पॉइंटला परत मीट करतोय. तर p पॉइंट चे कोऑर्डिनेट्स विचारले, p पॉइंट चे कोऑर्डिनेट्स त्याच्यामधला कुठला आहे असं विचारलं. p पॉइंट या कर्व वरचा पॉइंट आहे, या कर्व वरचा पॉइंट आहे, मग हे पॉइंट त्या कर्वचं इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय करायला पाहिजे. 4 4 ने चेक करूया. 4 4 x4 y4 4 स्क्वेअर 16, इकडे x इक्वल टू 4 टाकला तर 4 and 2 minus 4 it is minus 2 square 4 4 16, याला सॅटिस्फाय करतोय. याच्यामध्ये येऊ शकतोय -1 to x minus 1 y2, it is 4, x equal to -1, then it is 3 square 9, not possible, b येणार नाही. 3 6 y6, that is 36 येणार, x equal to 3, 2 minus 3 1, 1 square 3, this is not possible. 9 by 4 3 by 8 here, 3 by 8 9 by 64, 3 by 8 टाकला 9 by 64 मिळेल LHS. RHS ला 9 by 4 टाकूया. 2 minus 9 by 4 it is 2 minus 9 by 4 it is minus 1 by 4 square 1 by 16 and it is 3 by 9 by 4 9 by 4. Yes, it is possible. या दोघांमधला कुठला तरी आहे. B आणि C हे इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय करत नाही, A आणि D सॅटिस्फाय करतात. A आणि D मधला कुठला तरी ऑप्शन आहे. तर दोन मिळाले, त्यामुळे आपल्याला सोडवावं लागेल. आपण सोडवूया टॅन्जंट. Now its tangent is, its derivative is 2y dy by dx is equal to 2y dy by dx. X derivative 1, therefore 2 minus x square plus x as it is. Its derivative, then 2 into 2 minus x and 2 minus x extra, that is -1. Here I write minus this, that is dy by dx is equal to, this is I write 2 minus x square minus 2x into 2 minus x divided by 2y. Now derivative at the point 1 1, at 1 1 it is dy by dx at 1 1 is, put x equal to 1, 2 minus 1, 1 square 1 minus 2, 2 into 1 again, 2 minus 1 1 upon 2y, it is 2. 1 minus 2 it is minus 1 by 2. This is m. Then equation y minus, at this point y minus 1 minus 1 by 2 x minus 1. Transfer this, 2y minus 1 is equal to minus x minus 1. Now just 2y minus 2 minus x plus 1. Just transfer this, x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now check which point satisfy this, these two. 4 4 4 टाकला मी याच्यामध्ये. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 4 12 minus 3 not equal to 0, therefore this is not. हा पॉइंट परत याच्यावरच आहे. दिस इज इक्वेशन ऑफ टॅन्जंट, टॅन्जंट वर पण असणार. नाउ दिस ऑप्शन इज डी ऑप्शन. या दोघांमधला ए आणि डी मधला ए पॉइंट हे टॅन्जंट इक्वेशन सॅटिस्फाय करत नाही, त्यामुळे एकच ऑप्शन राहिला डी ऑप्शन.